Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you the elimination reactions. There are three type of elimination reactions: E1, E2 and E1cb elimination reaction. Here in E1 reaction the living group ability should be high. Means what? The ability of living should be high, like the groups are OTS, OBS, OMS. Okay, and now how does it work? Let's see. uh, Here is an example to show the how elimination reaction is goes on. First of all, for elimination reaction the living group should be best. That is the living capacity should be good. So first of all, the living group eliminate. After that, the base can abstract a proton. This is nothing but the base. You can take any base. So base can abstract this proton, and this bond will shift to here where the living group is live. Here the formation of the carbocation is formed, and uh, then what happens? We get a alkene. Okay, now second is E2 elimination reaction. In E2 elimination reaction, base should be strong. That is the living group. uh, Base should be strong. Living group it's not so good, it's okay, but the attack should be anti-periplanar. That is 180 degree attack. Okay, of if you are taking 180-degree attack of hydrogen and any of the living group. Okay, now let's understand this B minus, that is the base. When base abstract, first of all the base abstract this proton, and the bond moves in such a way simultaneously the living group should be live, and we form this alkene. These steps happen immediately. Means the attack is anti-periplanar, like Z in the Z format. That is, if there is hydrogen, and there should be X, means the living group. Now E1cb elimination reaction. In E1cb elimination reaction, living group is actually a part of anion stabilizing group itself. How? Let's understand. The base, first of all the base abstract this proton, and this bond shift. If the bond is shift, then we here we got a negative charge. Let's see, there is a negative charge. Then this negative charge will move, and it removes the living group, and this mechanism is carried out by anion. If, you can see that this is the carbanion, and after this reaction we got a alkene. Now the example of E1cb, and that is the amine. uh, uh, this base can abstract this proton, and the bond moves, and the double bond will convert it into single bond, and this the reaction anion stabilized by conjugation with C double bond O. Okay, this bond, when this bond will shift here, we got here the double bond, and after that we have to balance. We have to remove the living group here, so that the negatively charged oxygen bond will move here, and the Cl will remove. So we got here the ketene products, which is highly reactive ketene. Now again the base will abstract this ketene. Base will attack on the carbonyl. This is nothing but the C double bond O carbonyl which is a electrophilic group. So now we get the PHO, PHO, uh, PHO double bond C, CO. Chitin is found, which is highly reactive species, and again the base is attached to carbonyl group, and here we got the product. Here we got uh, see the attack on carbonyl carbon. So we got this is the O minus, oxygen minus, and oxygen minus. The bond moves like this. The O minus bond will comes to here, and the bond, and this is nothing but the electrophilic nucleophilic center. So this double bond will extract this hydrogen, and the bond will shift towards the nitrogen, and after that we got the amide product after the uh, so the E1cb reaction is happens via the anion mechanism, that is the anion stabilized by conjugation with C double bond O.